As investors search for the next standout silver project, companies that can demonstrate both resource expansion and new discovery potential are increasingly drawing attention. Equity Metals is advancing its Silver Queen project in British Columbia. And joining me is Robert McDonald, Vice President of Exploration. Robert, welcome to the watch list.
Thank you very much, Karina. It's a pleasure to be here and to present to your audience.
Now, Optimo Research has assigned a 93-cent target price based largely on the potential growth of Silver Queen and comparisons with peer projects such as Tonopah West. From a geological standpoint, what key milestones, whether resource growth, new discoveries, or de-risking work, do you think are most important for demonstrating that value that underpins the valuation?
Well, for the last several years, the main focus has been on resource growth and systematic expansion of the vein sets that we see at our flagship Silver Queen project. To this end, we have completed upwards of 90,000 meters of drilling on the project since 2020, and a lot of that work has been going into confirming areas that had been historically identified in past drilling that stretches back literally decades. So the main objective has been to drill out areas, drill them to modern standards, and incorporate those resources into the resource base. We're at a point right now, though, where we believe we'll be transitioning more to de-risking the project and starting to move towards doing more detailed engineering work to identify the mineability of the veins. So it really is a little bit of everything that's going on. It's to ensure that the mineralization is there, ensure the quality and the grades of the mineralization, and then to continue with the engineering work that's required to start moving the project towards a production decision.
And with silver explorers increasingly being valued on their ability to expand existing systems, understanding where the next discoveries may come from becomes particularly important. Where is the team's current focus among the various vein systems at Silver Queen?
The main focus right now is we want to continue working on the number 3 vein, which there was a fair bit of historical drilling in that. So we want to continue upgrading the quality, or at least our knowledge of those segments of that vein. We have also identified a number of more greensfields targets. And we are quite excited about those. It gets right back to real exploration, or as opposed to following in the footsteps of others. And we've identified 3 or 4 different targets: the Camp West, the Svensson South, and then the South Itsit targets that we have just recently drilled during a spring program, 2,500 meters of drilling in 5 different holes, and we're quite excited about seeing the results from that work.
So this appears to be a story of potential growth and geological upside, with Equity Metals continuing to advance Silver Queen while pursuing opportunities to expand and further define the scale of the project. Thank you for your time today, Robert McDonald, Vice President of Exploration at Equity Metals.
Thank you very much, Karina. Have a great day.
And thank you, everybody, for watching this episode of The Watch List.